It is important to keep a close track of your competitors in order to grow your brand. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the next video. Here are 3 ways to use Facebook ads to outrule your competitors. Explore Instagram's virtual B2B market. Create a bona fide Facebook ads funnel. Leverage interest targeting to sway competitors' biggest fans. Facebook ad library gives you the benefit of exploring the longest-running ads in your business area. So, use Facebook ads library as an opportunity to outrun your competitors in no time. Like this video? Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the next video.